Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I'm the Mainly Digger, and in this video, actually go metal detecting, which is awesome. It's weekday metal detecting. It was yesterday, and as you can tell, it's in the morning right now. Or as you can tell, it's the day after yesterday, so the morning. It's in the morning. It's dark. It's early, but I got out, which is awesome. I went to Sydney, the church in Sydney that I often go to. Wow. So back in Sydney, Maine, behind the church. I haven't been there for a while because I only get time during the on Sunday, and they're in church on Sunday, so I don't want to interrupt their flow. I feel kind of weird being the single guy in the guy in the field detecting behind it while everybody's in their church in their Sunday best, whatever. I just respectful. I don't know, something. Maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, then I came home and I did some metal detecting in my own house, my own property, my own yard, which I have it's 2 lots. So up front. So moved away from the church. Not moved away, but I went home is what I'm at. I'm at my house right now. My new home is actually built in the 20s, not the 30s, as I stated before. And there's a sidewalk and out back. So I moved to my back lot. And this is where I found the horseshoes over there. In the backyard, there's a sidewalk, 2 streets. And hopefully I'll find something. I did. You'll see. I did. Just throwing that out there. That was pretty cool. Anyway, mainly dig out. Wow. So back in Sydney, Maine, behind the church. Just figured I'd stop by. It's not Sunday, so that's usually when I only have time to do stuff or go metal detecting or whatever. But it's during the week, so I figured I'd hit it up. First find of the day is, I think it's a I don't know what it is. Big nut to a bolt, to a very large bolt. I don't know. Anyway, I gotta say the day is a little dreary, rough start, but it's not hot, and it's not freezing cold, and it's not raining, which is, in Maine, I consider that a plus. That's a victory. Anyway, so this is what I found. 2 different holes turned into one. So I first found this guy right here, which is probably horse tack, and this is definitely a nail, spike, whatever you want to call it. I can't really tell if it's, I don't know if it doesn't quite look like, it looks old obviously, but I don't know if it's square now. No idea what it is. Copper though, obviously copper piping. That tint came up real, like I got excited, and it's whatever. So I've been in this area out and about. I've detected this area multiple times. Doesn't mean it's not detected out. It's just I want to, scout out, go around a little bit around the house, the structure. I haven't gotten permission to detect there around the house. They haven't said no. But I just want to make sure I'm not going inside that yard. Detected around here because there's a baseball field here at one time. So I was like, I was wondering if it's over there in this area, or was it in this area? I'm thinking it was in this area, maybe. I don't know. But here is another find. Very cool. More probably horse tack or I don't know, a link to a very large chain. I don't think so, but anyway. Oh man, I'm so excited. I found a coin. It was deep. It was in there deep. I'd say about over 2 to 4 inches. So not that deep, but in the plug. So I'm gonna clean it up and I'll show you guys what it is. So if you can't really see it, you can kind of see the $quarter. It's a quarter. But when I first started cleaning it off, I saw this I saw this and was like, what in the is that? And then I saw the date, 2014, and I remembered that's when they did like weird stuff on quarters. So moved away from the church. Not moved away, but I went home is what I'm at. I'm at my house right now. My new home is actually built in the 20s, not the 30s, as I stated before. I kind of going down the sidewalks and not really finding anything. Up my driveway or my walkway, didn't find anything. But I just found this it's penny dime from the 60s, right at the foot of my walkway, which is cool. Anyway, so I moved to my back lot, and this is where I found the horseshoes over there, some other stuff, some weird, like, I don't know, I'd love to find out what was back here. There's something back here. Anyway, found this. I don't know what it is. Maybe someday I'll clean it off, but it was down in there. Like, there's a root right there. It was under the root. I had to dig under the root. I'll say this straight out. I got super excited when I saw this. So in the back lot of my property, it presented itself just like that, and that's looks like a 45 slide, or a slide to a 45 caliber. That's cool. It's not. It's clearly not. It's a fake pistol, but I got excited. Anyway, so back lot, there's a old walkway right there. I forgot the actual words for it, but that's what I want to see and detect. Oh, very cool. I don't know how old it is. It's a spigot of some sort. I'll do some research, but I'll Google it. I'll Google search it. Very cool.